Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to unsolder a solder joint. First thing you do is get your flux, brush it around the joint there, get you some solder just so you can kind of tell when it's hot. Get your map gas torch. You're going to want to start heating from the bottom, like so. You come on around and just get it all nice and evenly heated. And then you see how that solder starts to take. Okay, keep heating it. And slow. There we go. That's probably been soldered on for about 20 years. Then you want to get your flex brush, sand cloth. Just clean the old solder off. And you can make sure it's all good while you're using the fitting here, and just it's ready to go. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to solder a fitting. So, it's preparation to this. First thing you got to do, you need to clean your fitting with the wire brush. Just like so, until it's extra shiny on the inside. All clean, not dull, shiny. Do both sides. Then get your fitting, your pin reamer here, and just deburr the inside of your copper. Get your sand cloth and sand the outer edge where you're going to be soldering. So, okay, then you'll get your flux and flux the inside of the fitting and flux the outside of the copper pipe. And there. Like so. Boom. Set it up like this. Show you two different ways of soldering here. Alright, so first we're going to do this joint, and then we'll do this joint. There's that one. Heat the pipe and heat the fitting. And there you go. Let it cool down, and then you can get on about your business. Check it out. That's how a solder should look.